doesn't matter if you're tiny or tall.
It doesn't matter if you're big or small.
If you want to have fun, it doesn't matter at all.
You got it, big!
Why, thank you, small. Skipping, flipping, climbing up a rope. Hiding, riding, sliding down a slope. Skating on an ice cube, swinging on a star. It makes no difference what size you are.
Nice!
If you want to have fun, it doesn't matter at all. 'Cause here we are, we're big and small.
Yeah! What was that? Psst. Psst, psst. Big. Big, there's a sound. There is a strange noise. It's creepy and weird, and I don't like it. Big, wake up. Big, wake up. Wake up, Big! Oh, I see that you can't sleep either. Well, as long as you're up. No, Big. Wait, listen, Big, listen. You see? Big, what if it's a scorpion?
What?
A scorpion? Oh, it could be a goblin. There's lots of goblins around these parts.
Don't say that.
Oh, what if it's a big, poisonous snake?
Poisonous?
Sharp than his teeth?
Oh, small.
Oh, it could be, Or it's a mouse blown into a bottle. That was my next guess.
I'm not blowing into a bottle. I'm practicing my song.
What kind of song, Ruby?
Oh, well, it's majestic and big and important.
That sounds,
Majestic, right? Oh, but you know what? It's also a pretty song. It's simple, really.
Okay.
Yeah, and it's got a great beat for those who love beats.
Sure. So then,
Oh, it'll make you laugh and cry.
Oh, okay. When do we get to hear it?
Well, it's called What a Big Moon That Was Last Night, as sung by Ruby, accompanied by the bottle. Big moon last night.
Do you hear majestic? I don't hear majestic.
Let me try that again, okay? You know what? I don't think this bottle is working. I mean, it's ruining my song.
Oh, wait. I've got a great idea. It's the best idea ever. Are you ready?
yes.
The piano.
Say no more. Let's go.
Okay, Ruby, this is how it should go.
But I already know how I wanted to go.
Music for Ruby's song. Oh, I got it. What a big moon it was last night. Oh, that's good. Where the stars were shining. Right, now. What?
Oh, I'm sorry. Was I snoring? Okay, move over, Big. I'll show you what you really want, Ruby.
I already know what I want.
What a Big Moon It Was Last Night, the improved version by Small. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah! What a big moon it was last night. Yeah, what a big moon it was last night. What a sight. Yeah. Okay, now, whose was better, mine or Big's? I'll vote for mine.
Nobody's was better. I mean, Big's was sort of soft. Yours was a little loud.
A little loud? That's not good. I wanted a lot loud.
Small, you can't have a loud song about the moon. Obviously, Ruby likes my tune, but she wants it even softer.
Well, actually,
I think she wants it louder.
She wants it softer. In fact, the piano isn't even soft enough. Hold on, I'll be right back.
What you want is a louder instrument. Don't worry, Ruby, I'll be right back.
I'm going to write my own majestic song. Thank you very much.
Okay, think. Okay, loud. Loud. I've got to think loud, loud, loud. Oh, think small. Think. You need loud, really loud. Oh. Woo! A stick. Aha!
Now you, stop making that racket.
Why? Am I being too incredibly loud?
Not you. Someone over there is being too incredibly loud.
Oh, yeah? It is loud? I like it! Oh, yeah! That's nice! It could be Moony. Here, let me show you. Oh, thanks, Big.
Now you gotta pluck gently, Small, okay? No. Don't touch that.
See?
Nope, don't touch that. Yeah, no. Watch out. Nope. Yep. Not there. Okay. Now, it's a very moony machine. It's delicate.
Big, if you want to use this for Ruby's song, you've got to really twang it, and I am a great twanger. Yeah! Oh, yeah! Woohoo!
I really don't think that's a good idea. Small, are you okay?
I'm fine. I did that on purpose, you know.
Well, thanks for the suggestion. But I really think a soft sound would be best, don't you? Yeah, much more moony.
Hey, would you guys be a little bit softer? I mean, I'm trying to think of something loud to...
Yeah.
Wait! Stop everything! You asked for loud, I got loud! Okay, over here. All right, frogs, hit it!
Oh, thank you, Small. But
Wait, Ruby, I almost forgot I got exactly what you're looking for here. The Brocco Whoosher. Listen. You can barely hear it. Big moon. Oh, what a big moon last night. Wait, a little too loud.
you know what, Big and Small? I'm trying to tell you.
Hit it! Okay, what a big moon that was last night! Who's big and bright? That was you!
Right.
Damn it! What I've been trying to tell you all day is that I already have the music for my song. Okay? And it's loud and it's soft. It's just the way I like it because it's my song. Now, are you going to help me play it or not?
Yep.
Right. Now, frogs, I do want you to croak, but not too much ribbittiness, all right? All right, good. Is everyone ready?
We're ready.
Great! And this song will sound even better if you clap or hum along. In a moody way, of course. Okay! And a 1, 2, 3! Oh, such a big moon last night. With your shiny, bright smile. You were my grin made of
Big moon, why must you leave us so soon? Please come back and join in our tune.
I see you shrinking, but wait. I know a few nights from now. You'll be as round as a
too. Please come back and join in our tune.
Big Moon, please come back and join in our tune.
Yeah, very nice.
Oh, thank you, everyone. That was just so
Majestic.
yeah. Oh, wow. Thank you. Oh,